I have Happy Mail. I got this in the mail the other day from Vintage Vinny. I'm not for sure what it is. So Vintage Vinny, he has an Instagram account and he also has a YouTube channel. He's a toy collector like me with a slightly different taste. So he's fascinating to watch if you like to watch videos of collectors and resellers and what they pick up on their hunts. So anyway, Vintage Vinny, check him out. I really love both his Instagram posts and his YouTube videos. And he sent me Happy Mail, which is so sweet and totally unexpected. And whenever he does it, it just brings a smile to my face. I really appreciate it. So, not for sure what cool thing he found that he thinks I'm going to like. I don't know. This is weird. Cut side, then lift, cut main flap. Okay, I'm not gonna be able to do this recording, so let me get this started and then I will show you what Vintage Vinny found for me. Oh my goodness, it is stuffed full of goodies. So let's see. Oh, I've never seen a California raisin like this. I have a couple smaller plushes, but not this big. This is really cool. I didn't know they made them that big. All right. Let me get this knife out of the way. And this, I think I knew he was gonna send me this because he knew I loved ice cream dolls. I love it. This is really cool. I actually have not seen them this small. I have a medium and a large. So to see one this small is pretty darn cool. And I can't believe he got it for only 50 cents. Ice cream dolls are pretty rare in my area. And anytime I see them at estate sales, like, you know, when you do estate sales, a lot, there's an app called estatesales.net, and you look ahead of time at the pictures, so you kind of know what you're looking for before you get there. And anytime I see an ice cream doll in the ad, it's never there when I get there. There's must be another collector in my area. So I'm very excited about this little boy ice cream doll. And let's see this. Oh, okay, I gotta be careful because I feel like there's a reason why he had it packaged. Okay, so oh, he knows I love Garfield. Oh my goodness. Again, I've never seen an Odie like this. This is really cool. And is this like a dinkin? Yes, it is. Oh my god, I love it. He's so cute. Can you hear that dog barking? This is what I deal with all day long. Neighbor's dogs barking. Oh, Alvin from the Chipmunks. Oh, and he has shoes on. I actually had a Theodore because he had glasses that broke off. So I don't have an Alvin. That is pretty cool. And then you can tell. Oh, this is so cool. In the original box. I have a bunch of these dolls, but not in the original box. And not this one. This is so cool. To be in the original box, that's awesome. I do love toys when they're in the original box. When it's the older style, because you just... Now packaging nowadays is just too much. I like the old-fashioned packaging. Alright, let's see. This is breakable. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Let's see. Okay, I can't. I have the kitchen window open, if you can hear that. Like, it's a beautiful day, and so everyone is out and about, so I don't know. They're all supposed to be staying home, but first beautiful day in a week, everyone's out. I would go walk the neighborhood, but since everyone else is walking, we'll wait until it's night. Oh my god. This is amazing. Honestly, I don't know that I've seen a Care Bear mug that the face was the shape of a Care Bear. And he paid 50 cents for it. How does he find these awesome deals? Look, it's got like a little mark on the inside, Chair Bear. So you know what bear it is? It's funny because I was just getting ready to start a Care Bear craft project. This is going to be awesome. This is going to be my new coffee cup. Is it safe to drink coffee? Yes. Just don't dishwash. That's fine. I hand wash everything. Alright, look at that. What is this? Oh, no way. So, if you've been following me on Instagram, I love Alice in Wonderland. It's my first thing. When I started in college, I started collecting stuff in college, and the first thing I started collecting hardcore was Alice in Wonderland. So I have like a whole loft upstairs dedicated to my Alice in Wonderland collection. So this is pretty awesome. I absolutely do not have this tea set or dinnerware set, so this is going to be a wonderful addition to my collection. Let's see what else. Let's see what this is. Ooh, a Smurf playing football, and again, in the original packaging. You know what, I wish I had these villages. I actually saw these plastic villages one time at an estate sale, and I passed them up because they were too expensive, and I have definitely regretted it ever since. I should have just broke down and paid for that, because I just have never seen the little plastic villages since that these figures go with. Alright, let's see, what is this? Happy Hangers, 3-dimensional. Oh, alright, I get it. This kind of seems vaguely familiar. So it is just a wall door hanger to hang your stuff on. 1984. He does know I like anything that is marked in the 80s. That's pretty cool. There's the other one. Ooh, and this is a card. I'll read that off camera, because thank you. And then let's get the other one. Alright. I don't want to break this. Alright, hold on. Bear with me. Bear with me, way. There we go. Maybe. Oh my god, that is amazing. Look at that. And it has a spoon. Let's see. I have never seen this illustration before. Oh my goodness. Look at that. That's actually a really good illustration. If you know anything about Alice in Wonderland, the original illustrator was John Tinnell, and then, I probably am saying that last name wrong, and then, of course, Disney did their own version, and then at least 1,000 artists since then have done their own version, and I am always fascinated to see all the new illustrations, and this is definitely a good one. This is a good artist. I like that. Look at that Mad Hatter. Look at that. I like it when they don't change it too much from what I consider the original. It's definitely a good, oh my god, okay, alright, here we go. So this is like the plate, the bowl, and then the drinking cup, and a matching spoon. That is so cool! I love it. That is going to look so good in my loft. I really should do a video showing my Alice collection. I gotta clean a little bit in the loft. It needs a little dusting, and then I think I will do a video so you guys can all see my Alice stuff. So this is amazing. Thank you, Vintage Vinny. I'm gonna send him a private message, but for watching this video. Anyway, thanks, Vintage Vinny. You really made my day. It's been a slow week. It's just like, I don't know, you really brightened my day. I've not been feeling well. I've kind of been down in the dumps, and this really makes me so happy. Your package honestly came at the perfect time, right when I really needed it. You just don't know how much I needed it right now. I just appreciate it so much. You really absolutely 100% made my day. Like I said, I'm going to be sending Vinny a very nice private email. And for everyone who are watching, thanks for watching. Like I said, if you're a toy collector like me and you like to see what people buy, check out Vintage Vinny on YouTube, and I will see you guys later.